Well, hi, welcome to the Bedford Community in Corona, California, where right now we're at the Ellis models by the New Home Company. And these are models, there's 3 plans. They're models that range from about 1,730 square feet to about 2,013 square feet. Usually about 3 bedrooms plus, and then some of them have lofts, 2-car garages, which some of them have a split car. So just a lot of options for different people to give you as little space as you need or as much space as you need. So really great community with tons and tons of amenities. And we're here today to show you the models so that if you have any questions or you're looking to move to the area, or just relocate from an area that you're or a house that you're already in, we are here to help you. Please reach out for any information that you need, and let's go check out these beautiful models. Hi, we're in Plan 1 at Ellis, and these are all just beautiful. It's a beautiful community, beautiful models. So this one is 1,730 square feet. It's 2.5 bath, 3 bedroom, and it's a 2-car garage. With all of these include like a little bit of a designer package. There's different packages that they come with, and we'll do a list of the prices below. So come with me and check it out. Well, welcome to Plan 2 at Ellis. This model has 1,761 square feet. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and it has a 2-car garage. And we hope you like it. It's just beautiful.
you're in for a treat. It's 2,013 square feet. It's a 2-car split garage. You have 3 bedrooms plus a loft, extra space, and 2.5 baths. So let's go check it out.
Well, that concludes our tour of the Ellis models from the new home company in the Bedford Community in Corona, California. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So if you love this, please, you can email us, you can call us, you can DM us, you can comment below, and we will make sure that we give you all the information and we can take you here and you can check everything out. The staff is great, and that way we can explain all of the amazing amenities, because there's tons that this community has to offer. And please, we love to do things that are of interest and value to you. So please, if you could like, subscribe, click the bell so you get more videos like this, we'd appreciate it. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And please reach out anytime if you have questions about this crazy market, or about any videos you'd like to see. We'd love to make your dreams come true. So take care and have a great day.